How's it going, YouTube? It's Sean here, and I'm back today to give you guys a review of the Air Max 270 React in the Bauhaus colorway. These dropped a few weeks back for a retail price of $150 US or $195 here in Canada. So the official colorway for this shoe is Phantom, University Red, Black, and University Gold. This all-new silhouette from Nike Sportswear sees a mashup of the Air Max 270 with React technology. Nicknamed the Bauhaus colorway, this color scheme is inspired by the famous German art school and German art style. Known for its bold design and bright colors, this colorway really personifies that style. So jumping straight into the shoe, for the most part, the upper of the sneaker is constructed using this very silky-like nylon. It has a very unique touch and it almost feels like a combination of silk and canvas. Overlaid on top of this nylon, we have a bunch of different overlays in this material that almost feels like felt. So surrounding the frontal edge of the toe box, we have this material in black, and then there's this hit of green or almost turquoise found on the edges of the toe box. Stitched on the mid panel of the shoe, here we have this University Gold color swoosh, and then above this, covering the middle portion of the shoe where the eyelets are, here we have this red felt-like material, along with hits of red leather at the very top eyelet and on the very bottom as well. Accenting the red, we have these yellow stitch lines, along with these black nylon straps that hold the laces in place. In terms of the laces, so these are done in a very thin rope style. And then underneath this, we have the tongue, which is done in a combination of that nylon material along with the felt down the middle. At the very top, we have the Nike swoosh along with Air 270 and React branding embroidered in black. Moving towards the back end of the shoe, so here we have this combination of black and green or turquoise once again. And then down the center, we have a Nike swoosh along with the nylon pull tab at the back. The interior of this shoe is done in a very bold blue color, and you'll notice there's additional padding around the back Achilles area, helping to lock your foot into place. Pulling out the insoles, you'll see that the left foot and the right foot feature mismatching insoles, and they both have this Nike branding found underneath the heel. So the upper of these Air Max 270 Reacts sits atop this midsole that's done in a combination of Nike React foam and Nike Air. So along the forefoot, this is entirely Nike React. We have that signature carved out look that's also found in other models with React, like the React Element 55 and 87. On the back heel though, we have this very large 270 Air unit. So this is done in this semi-translucent blue color, and it's encased and surrounded by additional React foam. Turning these guys over to the bottom, so here we have the outsole. So this is done in a combination of exposed foam and black rubber overlays. So the forefoot looks like the same traction pattern found on the React 55s and 87s. And then on the back heel, you'll see there's this U-shaped rubber overlay, and we have a Nike swoosh in the middle, along with 270 React branding. So in terms of sizing, my feet measures as a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and I picked these up in a size 10. I do have to say they do run a little bit narrow and long, so if you do have really wide feet, then this might not be the best shoe for you. Getting these in a size 10, I was pretty much locked in the forefoot, and if my feet were any wider, true to size probably would have caused some discomfort. Lengthwise though, it was perfectly fine, so that's why I'm hesitant to go up a half size. But if you have slightly wide, normal, or even narrow feet, then true to size should be perfect for this pair. To give you guys a point of comparison, this pair is a size 10, and I also got a size 10 in the React Element 87s, but I'm a 10.5 in the React Element 55s. Next up, in terms of comfort, so I gotta say that Air technology is a little bit outdated. With that said, this shoe would have felt better if it was entirely done in React, because wearing these around, the forefoot of the shoe felt much better than the back heel. With this oversized air bubble in the back, it felt kind of clunky, and you still have that weird sensation on feet that I also got with the Air Max 270s. Sometimes less is more, and I feel like with this shoe, utilizing this 270 Air unit took away from the experience of the React foam. So with all that being said, now let me lace these up and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. Visually speaking, from a design perspective, I'm really liking the look of this shoe. However, the fit of the shoe was a little bit strange, and the comfort on the shoe wasn't the best, despite utilizing two very comfortable technologies. So let me know in the comment section down below how you guys feel about this Air Max 270 React. If you guys have tried this shoe on, let me know in the comments down below if you guys agree with my assessment on the comfort. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8. Check out my Twitter at sean.go and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.